Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to download your Twitter bookmarks using Circleboom Twitter. Let's get started! First, log in to Circleboom Twitter. Once you're in, go to the left side menu and click on My Tweets and Lists. Then select Delete Bookmarks. Don't worry, the tool doesn't delete anything by default. This is just where you can view and manage all your saved tweets. Now, you'll see your full list of bookmarked tweets, along with detailed metrics like likes, retweets, replies, and impressions. This lets you sort and organize your bookmarks before exporting them. To refine your view, click on Filter Options on the right-hand side. You can filter bookmarks by engagement, tweet type, date, language, and more. So it's super easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've selected the tweets you want to export, click the Export button in the top right corner. A confirmation will pop up, showing the number of bookmarks you're about to export. Click Export Bookmarks, and Circleboom will generate a downloadable file. And that's it! Your bookmarks will be saved in CSV or Excel format, complete with all the tweet details, so you can search, sort, and reference them whenever you need. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more social media tips, tricks, and strategies. Happy Circlebooming!